So this comment was on the video I did about depression, and the question is, how can it be managed? Well, the first step is always therapy, right? Counseling, talking to a good therapist. And again, guys, I'm a therapist, right? We have different credentials, but we're all therapists at the end of the day, whether I'm a licensed clinical social worker, or I'm a LMFT, licensed in marriage and family therapist, or I'm a psychologist, what have you. We're all talk therapists, right? We're only as good as the tools in our toolkit and how relatable, how you connect with us. You can have the best, most qualified therapist, but if you don't feel connected to them, they're not going to be able to help you. So having that connection with the therapist is very important. And then what is depression, right? It's a chemical imbalance. Depression is a chemical imbalance. Sometimes it's just because you're born that way. A lot of times it's because there's been external events that have happened that have externally happened, but that have impacted our physical body so strongly that it's changed our chemical makeup permanently. So you're not imagining these symptoms. It's a chemical imbalance, which then the next step is to consider medication. There's nothing wrong. There's no shame in taking medication to manage your depression, anxiety, what have you symptoms, which is where you would go to a psychiatrist. Preferably, don't go to your family doctor, go to a psychiatrist because, again, they specialize in it. There's so many different medications, and doesn't even matter, who you are. You could be a set of identical twins given the same exact scenario, same symptoms, and both of you will react and respond differently to the medication. So the point is, your medication needs to be managed. No shame. Take the medication, but it's a process of continuously going. But again, there's also your diet, spending time in nature, your diet is what you eat, what you drink, but also what you listen to. Who do you hang around with? What are you consuming? Everything matters. Meditation helps, grounding helps, journaling helps. TikTok is incredible, but I pray that you get relief because I've been depressed. I live with depression. It's managed right now, but I know what that's about. So all the best, my dear. I hope this was helpful.